In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark an invoice as sent in Xero. Whether you're a seasoned accountant or just starting out, keeping track of your invoices is crucial. So let's dive right in and make this process clear and simple. First, head over to your Xero dashboard. Once there, you'll want to navigate to the Sales section. This is the starting point for accessing all things related to invoices and sales activity within Xero. After you click on Sales, you'll see an option for Invoices. Go ahead and click on that, as this will take you to a comprehensive list of your invoices. Now it's time to create a new invoice. Look for the New Invoice button and click on it. Here you can type the contact's name. If you have the contact already, typing will bring up suggestions from your list. If it's a new contact, you can add them right there. Once you've selected or added a contact, it's important to set a due date for the invoice. This helps both parties understand the payment timeline clearly. Moving on, click on Manage to define the payment methods. Xero allows you to customize how you want to receive payments, offering flexibility to suit various client preferences. Once that is set, hit the Save button, ensuring all your changes are securely updated in the system. Next, you have several customizations available. Change the currency if necessary, decide whether the invoice should include tax or not, and select a branding theme that fits your company's image. Afterwards, enter the item or service being billed. You can type it in or choose from a pre-existing list in your account. Add a brief description that gives clarity on the services or products, set the price, and remember to select the appropriate account and tax rate that apply to this invoice. After you've filled in the invoice details, double-check the total amount in USD to ensure everything adds up correctly. In case you need to enter more data or attach files, there are options to add rows and attach documents or images relevant to the invoice. These features are especially useful for detailed or high-value invoices. With everything in place, there's an option to approve and email the invoice directly from Xero. Click on the drop-down menu and select Approve and Email. Once approved, sending the invoice via email is straightforward and keeps your client communication seamless. Take a quick look at the end result to make sure everything appears as expected. Finally, click on Send Email to deliver your invoice to the client, and there you have it. You've successfully marked and sent an invoice from start to finish in Xero. Utilizing these steps will ensure that your invoicing process is not only efficient, but also professional and accurate every time.